Hi everyone, I'm Mombi, and today I want to dive into the powerful concept called selling your sawdust. As entrepreneurs, we are often consumed by the pursuit of our primary business venture, which is okay. But amongst all that hustle, there's a gem of wisdom worth exploring, and this is based on Jack Butcher's concept of selling your sawdust. Originating from the timber industry, the concept of selling your sawdust emerged as companies found lucrative opportunities in repurposing their waste materials, for example, sawdust, wood chips, and shredded wood. These byproducts of the milling process have found their way into numerous consumer products today, ranging from concrete to synthetic fireplace logs, pet beddings, and mulch. Reflecting on this model, I would like you to consider your own business operations. Is there any overlooked waste? Could there be byproducts of your work that hold value for potential or existing clients? Butcher's framework urges us to recognize the untapped potential within our skills, knowledge, and resources. So, how can we harness Butcher's insight to unlock new avenues of growth and revenue? Let's look at some practical strategies to monetize our expertise beyond the confines of our core business ideas. One way of selling your sawdust is creating digital products. You can have ebooks, online courses, downloadable resources that show your expertise. Whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're in marketing or a software developer, there's a wealth of knowledge that's waiting to be packaged and sold to your audience. You can perhaps extend your reach through workshops, webinars, or live events where you can share your insights with a broader audience. These engagements not only offer value to participants, but also serve as an additional revenue stream through tickets and sponsorships. Another way to sell your sawdust is to broaden your horizons by offering group coaching, for example, or consulting programs. These way you maximize your time while still delivering value to clients, especially those who are seeking cost-effective solutions. You can also sell your sawdust by establishing a digital hub. By this, I mean a membership site or a community where members can gain exclusive access to content, resources, and support. This recurring revenue model fosters ongoing engagement while providing a steady income stream for your business. You can elevate your profile by speaking at industry events, conferences, or forums, positioning yourself as a thought leader in your domain. Such endeavors not only enhance your credibility, but also open doors to consulting gigs, partnerships, or media opportunities. You can sell your sawdust by amplifying your voice through various content mediums, articles, blog posts, podcasts, or YouTube videos. By consistently delivering value, you can attract a larger audience, you can boost your reputation, and unlock monetization avenues like sponsorships, affiliate marketings, or advertising. You can transform your expertise into tangible assets like tools, templates, or software solutions that address prevalent pain points in certain industries or your industries. And these products can then be licensed or sold to businesses or individuals who are looking for solutions aligned with your expertise. By embracing Butcher's notion of selling your sawdust, you end up unlocking a world full of possibilities for growth, revenue, and impact in your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're a coach, consultant, designer, or entrepreneur of any stripe, there is immense potential in leveraging your skills and knowledge beyond the confines of your primary business ideas. So, identify your sawdust and embark on a journey of creative monetization. The path ahead is teeming with opportunities, waiting for your entrepreneurial spirit to seize them.